Welcome to today's ultimate brain teasing, adrenaline pumping quiz show. Get ready to challenge your wits and expand your horizons with the latest trivia from around the globe. Are you ready to play? Let's dive in. Question 1. Which state government launched the Mission Arun Himveer to enhance market access for agri-horti producers? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Mizoram. D. Nagaland. The answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. What a wonderful initiative for farmers. Question 2. Siddharth Kaul recently announced his retirement. He is associated with which sport? A. Cricket. B. Football. C. Hockey. D. Boxing. The correct answer is A. Cricket. What a journey it's been for him. Question 3. What is the name of the newly declared district in Uttar Pradesh for the management of the 2025 Mahakumbh in Prayagraj? A. Sangam Nagar. B. Mahakumbh Mela. C. Triveni Nagar. D. Melapuri. The answer is B. Mahakumbh Mela. A strategic step for such a grand event. Question 4. Exercise CINBAX was recently conducted between which two countries? A. India and China. B. China and Russia. C. India and Cambodia. D. Japan and China. The answer is C. India and Cambodia. A significant collaboration. Question 5. Which day is observed as International Day of Persons with Disabilities (IDPD) annually? A. The 2nd of December. B. The 3rd of December. C. The 4th of December. D. The 5th of December. The answer is B. The 3rd of December. A day to promote inclusivity and awareness. Question 6. Which ministry has launched the Ayush Aushadhi Gunvatta Evam Utpadan Samvardhan Yojana? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. Ministry of Ayush. C. Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Ayush. Supporting quality and innovation in traditional medicine. Question 7. Which species is the natural host of Marburg virus disease that was recently seen in news? A. Sandfly. B. Fruit bat. C. Pig. D. Mosquito. The answer is B. Fruit bat. They are known reservoirs of this deadly virus. Question 8. Troesatia thalassaner and Proterothrix sabile, which was seen in news, belong to which species? A. Feather mite. B. Fish. C. Spider. D. Bat. The answer is A. Feather mite. Intriguing creatures, aren't they? Question 9. Which day is observed as World Soil Day annually? A. December 4th. B. December 5th. C. December 6th. D. December 7th. The answer is B. December 5th. Let's celebrate the ground beneath our feet. Question 10. What is the IUCN status of the African or Cape buffalo that was recently seen in news? A. Critically endangered. B. Endangered. C. Near threatened. D. Least concern. The correct answer is C. Near threatened. Conservation efforts are crucial. Question 11. Which organization was officially recognized as an awarding body by NCVET in the space sector? A. Antri Corporation. B. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center in Space. C. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. D. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. The answer is B. In space. A milestone for the space sector. Question 12. Which country has recently introduced the Terminally Ill Adults End of Life Bill? A. United Kingdom. B. India. C. France. D. Russia. The correct answer is A. United Kingdom. Question 13. What is the theme of the 16th Griha Summit held in New Delhi? A. Accelerating climate action in the built environment. B. Empowering sustainable and resilient communities. C. Fostering partnerships for sustainable habitats. D. Approach to integrated sustainability. The answer is A. Accelerating climate action in the built environment. Question 14. What is the name of the scheme that recently exceeded its target of training 6 crore rural individuals in digital literacy? A. Pradhan Mantri Bharatnet Scheme. B. Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Sakshata Abhiyan. C. Aadhaar Digital Program. D. Digital India Internship Scheme. The correct answer is B. Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Sakshata Abhiyan. Digital empowerment at its best. Question 15. Punatsangchu 2 hydroelectric project, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? A. Myanmar. B. Bhutan. C. Nepal. D. India. The answer is B. Bhutan. A key project in the region. Question 16. Ashtamudi Lake is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Odisha. D. Tamil Nadu. The answer is A. Kerala. A serene and picturesque location. Question 17. The United Nations General Assembly UNGA declared which day is World Meditation Day? A. December 25th. B. December 10th. C. December 16th. D. December 21st. The correct answer is D. December 21st. A moment for global peace and mindfulness. Question 18. Naiti Valley, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? UT. A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Jammu and Kashmir. The answer is A. Uttarakhand. A place of incredible natural beauty. Question 19. Which astronomical observatory has been identified as the optimal site for satellite-based quantum communications? A. Kodaikanal Solar Observatory, Tamil Nadu. B. Devasthal Observatory, Uttarakhand. C. Indian Astronomical Observatory, IAO, Ladakh. D. Udaipur Solar Observatory, Usop, Rajasthan. The correct answer is C. Indian Astronomical Observatory, IAO, Ladakh. A cutting-edge location for research. Question 20. What is the theme of India Internet Governance Forum, IIGF 2024? A. Inclusive Internet for Digital India. B. Calibrating Bharat's Digital Agenda. C. Innovating Internet Governance for India. D. Leveraging TechAid for Empowering Bharat. The answer is C. Innovating Internet Governance for India. That's a wrap on today's quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score and challenge your friends to beat it. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.